In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Zendesk Multibrand support. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your account at zendesk.com. If you're completely new to Zendesk, don't worry, they provide some helpful onboarding videos that can assist you through the registration process. This will help you get acquainted with the platform before diving into the more specific functionalities. Once you're logged in and ready to go, it's time to set up multi-brand support. This feature is incredibly useful if you're managing multiple brands, as it allows you to offer tailored support for each one. It's all about organization and personalization, so let's break down how to do this effectively. To start organizing your brands, I recommend creating a separate and dedicated section for each unique brand you manage. This is crucial for keeping your support streamlined. By doing this, your support team can focus on specific brand needs without getting distracted by irrelevant information from other brands. It helps in creating a clear pathway not just for your agents but also for your customers. Next up, customization is key. You'll want to tailor the design and aesthetics of your Zendesk support sections to align with each individual brand's identity. This means using brand colors, logos, and overall visual elements that reflect the character of the brand. When customers land on the support page, it should feel familiar and in line with the brand they're used to. This sort of attention to detail really helps in building trust and improving customer experience. Moving on, it's time to think about the content. You'll want to develop brand-specific content tailored to the customers of each particular branch. This is where you can get creative. Think about what your customers frequently ask and what information they might find most useful, including FAQs, guides, and troubleshooting advice that relates directly to each brand will enrich your customer support experience and make it much more effective. Another fantastic feature you should make use of is the conditional visibility settings. These settings allow you to show or hide specific content based on the brand a customer is inquiring about. It ensures that both agents and customers only see the content that is relevant to the specific brand they are dealing with. This cuts down on confusion and allows for a much smoother interaction. Imagine a customer asking about a product issue and only seeing the information that pertains to the exact brand they're inquiring about. Instant clarity. By following these steps, organizing sections for each brand, customizing each experience, creating targeted content, and utilizing conditional visibility, you'll have a multi-brand support system in Zendesk that's efficient, effective, and tailored to meet the specific needs of your customers. That's it for today's video on setting up Zendesk multi-brand support. Remember, personalizing the experience for your customers can make a big difference. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up.